All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a special guest.
Hey guys!
JB Noah 2 is in the garage. We're working on the Jeep. Today he is going to teach you how to solder some wires. You ready?
Uh-huh.
Let's go.
Hey guys, so this is how I'm gonna separate your wires with this wire snippers. And this is how you do it. You just gotta do, put it right here. Yes,
All right, what comes next?
Then I'm gonna do this part.
We gotta strip the wires, right?
Oh yeah.
Let's get the wire strippers. Woo, go.
And we're gonna put this black and red wire in the 12. And you're gonna use all your might like Goku. Like that. There you go. And here I am, and we're gonna twist this bad boy up.
All right, what comes after that? Splice?
What?
The splice?
Yep.
Let's get it. All right, so basically Noah's gonna hook me up with these little insulators. We're gonna put one on one side and the other on the other. Noah, can you grab the heat gun? While Noah's grabbing that, we're gonna take this butt splice here. We're gonna put this inside. And right here, we're gonna put this in the other one. And we're just gonna make sure that they kind of overlap and that the solder right here, there we go, solder right here is in the middle. All right, Noah's gonna knock this out. Once this is nice, hot and ready, Noah, tell me when it's ready.
Ready?
Here you go. So he's gonna show you how to do it. Basically, keep it about a ½ inch, and then you're gonna go back and forth. Nice. He's gonna go nice and slow so that it melts everything, and then he's gonna come right back onto the solder joint here. And we're just gonna wait till that thing gets smaller. Grab on. We're gonna wait till it gets smaller, because that's how you could tell that the solder melted. And it looks done. Okay, we're good. You see that solder in there is melted? Here, hold that. So now we're gonna take these. One of these is smaller than the other. Okay, so what I do is I put on the small one first and go ahead, start here and just go back and forth. Nice and slow. A little closer. Yep, so you're gonna shrink that on. You do it to one side, and then you either move the wire or move the heat gun. All right, grab that. Now we're gonna move the bigger one and cover up that other side. Just like that. All right, go ahead, Noah. Yeah, it's getting cold in here. Not the most exciting stuff in the garage, but stuff you need to know, especially if you're trying to DIY.
When you're older.
Especially when you're older, yeah. All right, that's it. Go ahead and squeeze that trigger, shut that off, and sit that down. All right, as you can see, I'll probably put a close-up. Yeah, that is a very, very good solder joint. That's gonna last for 10, 20 years.
6 or 7 years, maybe?
6 or 7 years. Ah! All right, since we're finished up, Noah, you want to give a shout out to anybody?
To 2 people. 1, my mom, because she's the best mother in the world.
Ooh, okay, all
and
right.
2, Wingman Garage. They're the best car community in the world, and I want to give a shout out to them and do a collab with them and meet them.
All right, yeah. So shout out to Noah's mom.
And Wingman Garage, if you're watching this.
And Wingman Garage.
Please go subscribe to my channel.
All right, yeah. Hey, make sure you guys go check out, what's your tag? JB Noah 2 on YouTube. Thank you guys for watching, as always.
Have a good morning.
Yeah.